Hello everyone. In the previous video we gave the CSS text background color. Now in this we're going to try out the CSS text color. So you can set the color of text, right? So for that there is nothing to explain. We'll just move towards the code to move this thing. So I'm going to write a heading that is of H3. Now to style it, I'm going to put some color. Tomato. Hello world. Add some para. Style this as well. Cause color I'm going to put. So this is the again I'm going to make a para and style some color. Medium sea green. So let me take some of the text from here. I'm taking this cut and I'm pasting it. So this is the paragraph that I've created. Now let's save this and run. So as you can see, we gave tomato color to this, something light, some light cyan color to this, and the medium sea green color. So this is how you can provide color to the text. Now let's talk about CSS border. So you can set the color of borders also, like provide border and then set the color. So how do we do that? Remove this, put a heading of H1 and we need to style this heading. So I'm just going to put border of 2px. You want some thick border, you can write here 5 solid dodger blue or just dark purples. Right? So we need a solid border. I'm going to put the text. Okay. Another heading for H1 style, H1 only. We need to style this as well. So style border 7px solid violet. Next will be again. Okay. So just copy this again. 10px. Now let's save this. Go to your browser and run. So as you can see, first was 5px, so it's a little thin. This is thick and thicker. So this is how you can provide border, right? Border color. Now in CSS, colors can also be specified using RGB values, some hex values, and various other values, right? So how do we know that? So we'll see CSS, some of the CSS color values. This is the last topic for today. Just remove this. I'm going to add a para. Same as color name as tomato. Okay, so this is the paragraph. I'm going to style H1. Not here. Style background color is background color. And right here RGB. So in RGB, I'm going to put up some values. According to these values, you can put anything. I'm putting anything of my choice. So according to these values, you'll see a color, right? So we have RGB this value. After that, print here, same thing. Print the same thing. This will be displayed. Then Control C. So it will be again H1 style. But this time background color I'm not giving this. Giving some other value. Like I told, there are many values. There are hex values, there are RGB values, then we have HSL values, HSLA values. So all the values we're going to try, right? So background color I'm giving some hash FF6347. Now write the same thing here. Again copy this. Now I'm writing HSL value here. So in this I'm writing 900, okay 50, whatever it is. Same thing copy and write here. Save this. Now run it on your browser. So as you can see, as the numbers change, the color also changes. So these are some of the values of the colors. You can also print transparent, right? So you can write a paragraph, same color as this, but 50% transparent. 50% transparent. So again, H1 style I'm going to copy. Just a minute. Let me copy this one. First one we are going to put transparent. So I'm adding another argument or parameter here, 0.5. So this is for the transparent thing. 0.5. Right? Same color but transparent. Copy this. Same color. Just a second. Not this. Same color, but I'll put here again 0.5. 0. Save this. Now run. So as you can see, the colors are a little transparent. So this is all about the CSS background color, color values and everything. Now this RGB and all we can look into it in a little more detail, but RGB is red, green, blue, and hex is the one with a hash in it, and HSL is hue, saturation, lightness. So this can be the for the transparent thing. HSLA means hue, saturation, lightness, alpha, right? So in the next video, we'll see CSS backgrounds. We can add a background picture or anything or the background color. So we'll look into that.